Keheng Powerwall All-in-One is the first wall-mounted all-in-one system currently on the market. Simple and compact appearance, easy installation and multi-functions, ideal for residential use. This is the wall-mounted mounting bracket, heavy bearing and easy to disassemble. Installation is very simple. Follow the instructions in the installation manual. First fix the bracket on the wall, and then fix the battery on the bracket. Battery switch. Inverter switch. Wi-Fi antenna. Battery DC output breaker. PV input terminal for connect to the PV. AC input terminal for AC input. AC output terminal for AC output. AC input overcurrent protection. Three steps to turn on the Powerwall all-in-one. The first step is to press the battery switch to turn on the battery. The second step is to turn on the battery DC output breaker upwards. The last step is to press the inverter switch to turn on the inverter. The operation and display panel includes 3 indicators, 4 function keys and a LCD display, indicating the operating status and input-output power information. The function keys from top to bottom are X, up, down and enter. The LCD display will show the real-time system operation status, including real-time data and system operation mode of PV and AC input and battery and load end, including real-time data and system operation mode of PV and AC input and battery and load end. On the LCD display, you can check the current operating mode and system data. You can check more data by pressing up and down keys, such as battery voltage, sock output frequency, load power, photovoltaic power generation, etc. For setting, just press the enter button for 3 seconds. Set the system via up and down button. Press enter button to confirm setting and ESC to exit setting. Utility first mode. Utility will provide power to the loads as first priority. Solar and battery energy will provide power to the loads only when utility power is not available. The system default is solar first mode. Solar energy provides power to the loads as first priority. If solar energy is not sufficient to power all connected loads, battery energy will supply power to the loads at the same time. Utility provides power to the loads only when any one condition happens. Solar energy is not available. Battery voltage drops to protected voltage, which we settled down. SPU first mode, similar to solar first mode. The only difference is that after the battery stops supplying the load, it will restart output once the conditions are met again. This mode will always work as solar, battery, utility order priority mode. There are 3 indicator lights from top to bottom: fault indicator light, charging indicator light, inverter operation and AC input indicator light. Please read the user manual for details.